Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had released one video in Tamil about Sittargal. So what those Tamil Pandits said about the trading. Not only about the trading, it's about the life. Anything you practice for 48 days continuously, it becomes your habit. It's like you are programming your mind. You are programming your brain. So our brain is the very hardest computer, very complex computer available on the earth. So now if you know how to program it, if you are always fearing when you are entering into the market about loss will come. So you are not telling the loss to yourself, you are training the brain that you will be getting the loss whenever you are entering to the trade. Even though the market is going in a favor of your direction, you will be ending the trade with the loss because you have already programmed the brain that whenever you are entering into the trade, you must be closing the trade in loss. So that is the reason our ancestors, they are saying, think positively. Always think positively and don't have any friendship with those people who are talking about negativeness. You are talking about negativity. Okay. So if someone says that you cannot do, you will get a loss, you will lose everything, you will be struggling, and so on. So don't have any friendship with them. Just unfriend them. Okay. Don't follow them. Unfollow them. If someone is motivating you directly or indirectly, being with with goodness or badness, it doesn't matter. If he is a source of motivation, don't forget him or her ever. So with this introduction, I will start today's video. And before I continue, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like it, share it to all your beloved ones whom you want to get success in their life. Also join our free Telegram group, MST School of Trading, for further update. And we are giving one indicator, that is price action based indicator, along with one strategy, that was one paid strategy, we are giving to everyone free. In return, what you have to do, minimum you have to make 10 members to subscribe our YouTube channel, minimum 10, and ask them to subscribe from different email ID and send the screenshot. So upon receiving the screenshot, we will be adding the indicator. Also we will train you how to use that paid price action based strategy. The validity will be, the indicator validity will be 1 month. And if you want to subscribe for our MST iCore 2.0, you are most welcome. We are having different plans starting from 3 months to lifetime. Monthly plan we don't have because even we cannot teach you anything and you cannot learn anything in just 30 days. So that is why we have the plan starting from the 3 months quarterly plan, because we want you to train your brain, practice by yourself. So that is the main motto behind not giving the monthly plan. Now coming back to our performance of MST iCore 2.0 yesterday. I will start yesterday. Before the market has reached the levels, I have released one video about BANKNIFTY and Nifty. So let me show you what was the performance. We are showing both loss and profit. We are not hiding anything. Okay, we are showing both profit and loss, because we are not calculating the profit on a daily basis. We have to calculate the profit and loss on a monthly basis. So if you are calculating the profit and loss on every trade and you are worried about it, then you are not a good trader. Okay, If you are just calculating the profit and loss overall in a month based on your investment, based on the ROI, returns on investment, then you are a good trader. That's why our main motive of our company is learn before you think to earn. So if you want to earn something from the market, what you have to do? You have to learn from the market. So now I have taught you two important things. One is, if you are a layman, you cannot do any analysis in the market, then you have to just follow with the default settings. When the market is coming here, you have to take the call option and you have to book the target one by one. If the market is coming up here first, take the put option buy and book the targets one by one. That is for the layman perspective. Suppose you know a little bit of trading, price action, or you have watched our video R3C pattern, then clearly here you can see the first candle itself is the rejection candle. The second candle itself is the confirmation candle. Mark the second candle low and first candle high. Also mark the midpoint. Okay, also mark the midpoint of the second candle. Somewhere it comes here. So now what I said, when the second candle low is broken, don't go for the entry immediately. Wait for the market. It will reverse back to the midpoint. There you take the entry. So now here we would have taken the reversal entry, that is the put option buy, somewhere 45,700 put option buy, and you can very well book the profit. So you can, for safety, you can book the profit at green and blue, because there is a big support. We are supposed to take the call option buy here. Okay, but we should not combine both layman trading and expert trading. Expert trading is based on the R3C, price action trader. Layman trading, whenever it comes there to the point, you have to buy and get away from the market. That's all. So don't combine this. So if you are following R3C, just keep following it. If you are following this layman perspective, keep following it. If you want to combine, what will happen? So you will be entering based on the R3C and you will be exiting based on the normal method. Okay, and you will be entering based on the normal method and you will be exiting based on the R3C method. So that is also not encouraged. So this is different track and this is different track. Both will be giving you profit overall in a month. Clear? Similarly, see here, this one, rejection candle, confirmation candle, high broken, very good rally. Okay, and here also we got one more one, rejection candle, confirmation candle, very good rally. Again here we got rejection candle, confirmation candle, very good profit. So this way you can make the profit. Okay, suppose in normal method what had happened? In normal method we are telling you to keep the very tiny SL. Clear? Now we will be taking the buy entry here. I will keep it in 1 minute time frame so that we can understand what had happened. So in 1 minute time frame, buy activated here, only few points we got the profit. Again here it did not touch the SL, and when we are trading in the spot, we have to wait for the close of the candle and low of that candle has to be broken for the sell entry. Similarly, it has to close above that level and high of that candle should be broken for the buy entry. So now here only low broken, closed below and low has been broken. So now we have to go for the second sell. So let me enable second sell and second sell targets. So first buy we took and SL got hit, and second sell we have taken. Let me see what happened. So in second sell perfectly you got the target. So here we were in loss if you are just trading based on the numbers, and here we are in a profit. So anyway we ended the day with the profit. Anyway we closed the day with the profit. So that is what we want. Now let me show you the performance what we have got in Nifty. In Nifty, where is Nifty? Nifty, yeah, here it is. Wow, wonderful. See here. So perfectly we got the buy entry, target hit. Once again why we have kept the three lines, because first entry, this is the first entry. If the market is going further, it might reverse from here. If market is going further, it might reverse from here. If the candle is closing below and low of that candle is broken, then it will go further and it will fall here. So that is the system. Okay. Now 2 times we have got the target hit. 2 times we have got the target hit, and third time also it is ready for today to give upper side movement. Hope it is clear. Now I will keep this Nifty 50 for R3C based trading. What is an R3C? R3C based trading. So where we have got the entry here. This candle at 10 o'clock there is a rejection. Immediately there is a confirmation. So now mark high and low. Once the low of this candle is broken and when it is giving retracement, take the entry. So here if you have taken, you are in a profit. See here, rejection candle, confirmation candle, mark the high and low. When the high is broken, go for the entry. So at every opportunity you can mint money. You will get more number of opportunities. So if you want, you can apply some more filtering method. Some more filtering method like 21 EMA or VWAP EMA. So whatever you are getting, the IIT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all we have given. So this P trend shows the positional trend. So whatever additional method you want to keep, that you can keep. See here what happened. Where is the P trend? P trend is the in between our buy zone. So it clearly says that market is in a buy trend. So buy only got activated. But in R3C pattern, the BT of R3C is we will get at the higher topmost level for selling and bottommost level for the buying. Similarly to our normal method. So hope it is clear. So next one, I will keep it in default settings. I will show you commodity. So in commodity, I will start with copper, gold, crude oil. Okay. If time permits, I will show you everything. Otherwise, I will show few and skip the video. Yesterday, what happened in commodity? Perfect. See here. Market opened somewhere here. It went up exactly from our sell zone. It got activated and it fell down, and all the targets have been hit. So from 757 to where is the low? 743. Some 43. 7 plus 7, 14 points we have got the profit. 14 points we have got the profit. Also there is another confirmation here. Okay, rejection of candle, confirmation candle. So 2 more confirmation we have got. So it was a wonderful day yesterday in copper. We have got very good profit. So let me show you what happened based on the P trend also. What is the P trend? Positional trend. Positional trend. Here only market has come down, but that also has broken. Now market has fell down very deeply here from the positional trend. Since it is broken, we have got very good profit. So that's all. It is very simple to trade as per our system. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. So once buy activated, cancel the sell. Once sell activated, cancel the buy. So all these are extra setup. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip. So see the performance, how perfectly it has done. So if you have any doubts, please call us, please talk to our customer care executives. You can make mint, you can mint money in every opportunities whatever you get, but thing is you should practice. I always says about one quotation from the Bruce Lee. He said once, I am not afraid of a person, I am not afraid of a person who knows 10,000 katas and has not practiced. I am afraid of a person who knows one katas and he has practiced it 10,000 times. Who said? The legend of martial arts, Bruce Lee said. So with this quotation, I end today's presentation of performance of MST iCore 2.0. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us on the given number. First you contact us through WhatsApp, then you can talk to us if you have more questions. Because whenever we talk to the people, they take more time. Whenever you are contacting us through the WhatsApp, we have made bot system, so it will automatically answer you. So thank you all for watching our video. Once again, we kindly request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then watch. And we wholeheartedly thank all the members who has already subscribed to our YouTube channel and joined our Telegram channel. And due to this Audi, we have given special offer for those who have subscribed to our indicator 3 months back, 1 year back, 2 years back, 5 years back. Even if they had taken 1 month validity, 5,000 rupees by paying, so you can deduct that 5,000 rupees and you can pay the balance amount. You can pay the balance amount only for entering into lifetime validity plan. Lifetime validity plan. So if you are satisfied and you have paid already 30,000 also, right, for 6 months you have continuously renewed, and now if you think that should I pay extra amount, now we have given the opportunity that you deduct all the amount whatever you have paid already, just pay the difference. Even if it is 1,000 rupees different, just pay it and get it extended validity, and the extended validity will be lifetime. Hope it is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. This extra offer is valid only till the end of the Audi month. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.